देखिए, एक अहम खबर तमिलनाडु के कोयंबटूर से आ रही है, जहां बच्चों को अश्लील संदेश भेजने वाले एक उपदेशक को पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार किया है। आरोपी बाइबल के अध्ययन को बढ़ावा देने वाले एक ईसाई धार्मिक संगठन स्क्रिप्चर्स यूनियन से जुड़ा हुआ है। इस मामले के दो आरोपी सैम जयसुंदर और र्यूबिन क्लीमेंट बच्चों का भरोसा जीतने के बाद उन्हें अश्लील और आपत्तिजनक पोस्ट भेजा करते थे। ये गिरफ्तारी 21 साल के एक छात्र की शिकायत के आधार पर की गई है, जिसका दावा है कि आरोपी 2011 से 2015 के दौरान उसे अश्लील संदेश भेजा करता था। मेरे साथ प्रमोद, मेरे सहयोगी, ज्यादा अपडेट के लिए जुड़ गए हैं। प्रमोद, क्या कुछ और जानकारी आपके पास है? पुलिस क्या कुछ एक्शन यहां पर लेने वाली है? हालांकि इन दोनों को फिलहाल गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है।
This case of, like you mentioned, is a very important case for the state of Tamil Nadu because it involves several minors. And what has occurred is that back in August, a verbal case complaint was filed by one of the minors' father, and that case was pending in Vellore because though it was filed back in October, it says no arrests were made, and the case becoming stronger was much more minimal. But however, another victim, who is 21 currently, has filed a complaint claiming that back in 2011 and 2015, she had received luring, sexually inappropriate messages from a preacher called as Sam Jayasundar, and based on that complaint, the Coimbatore police have arrested this 34-year-old preacher who was associated with Scriptures Union. In fact, the case has a lot of shocking reaction in the state of Tamil Nadu because when the complaint and everything was filed, many minors, even though they shared their social media screenshots, no appropriate action could be taken because they were afraid to come out and file a complaint against two people. One is Sam Jayasundar, who is arrested currently, and another preacher called as Reuben Clement, who is not yet been arrested in any case so far. So this arrest is completely from a different complaint, and it is of utmost importance now.
ठीक है, शुक्रिया प्रमोद इस अपडेट को हम तक पहुंचाने के लिए।